the cookies. First batch is done. They turned out perfect. And you know I got to put my cookies in my little definitely gotta give me some pretty containers for my baking stuff, so I can store them in something prettier than a plastic container. So, and let's check on these. They are cooking awesomely. Alright, y'all, I am down here in this basement reorganizing my stash, and I'm having a hot flash while I'm doing it, so I'm just trying to organize everything, get all my candies together. If people ain't going to the pantry, that is fine and good, honey. But I need it. It's groceries is expensive. Okay? They are out of control. Out of control. Okay, guys, so I reorganized some of it already. Pasta down there, some pasta sauce, jars of here. I got plenty of rice right there, some upstairs. So good morning. It is Monday morning, y'all. 6th of October. It's my birthday tomorrow. I think I'm gonna make that carrot cake tomorrow, so I need to get some ingredients today. Make him a carrot cake. Get some cream cheese and some powdered sugar, some shredded carrots. Some pecans, get some more eggs. I'm cooking dinner today. I'm not gonna cook dinner tomorrow. I'm gonna cook today, and then I'll make that carrot cake right here. On my way to work. Not in the best of spirits. I don't know. I'm trying to get myself right, y'all. This is cooking good. Sauce, pasta, a couple pieces are done. and the rest of the fish. Like I said, I gotta go get what's the name? Some salad stuff to make a quick salad. And tomorrow I'll be making a carrot cake for my husband's birthday. This right here is so pretty. I love that one. Oh, I like this one too. Let me see. Oh, that is cute. We are back from the store, and I just want to plate my food. Alright, let me finish plating. Little green beans, not that much. And a little sketty. There's my food. There's my food, my dinner for the day. Fried Alaskan pollock, green beans, and spaghetti. So guys, I am done. I'm about to make my plate. Yes. And both of these eggs are mine. My baby girl